Hello YouTube, let's talk about gas mileage. Hello YouTube, we're talking about gas mileage today. As you can see, I got 273,256 miles on the car so far. And people was asking me, how is the mileage on a cammed car on this particular V6? And I put a full tank in here, and it lasted about 5 days. I just went a little bit below 50%. And looking at I still got 218 miles of gas, and I was averaging 24.2 miles per gallon. That is everyday driving to work, freeway, and going stop traffic, going to the store, running errands, and this, that, and the other. I think that's not bad. And it should go down a little bit more once I put the supercharger on it. But that's it. It gets about 24 miles to the gallon in the city. On the highway, like on road trips, I can pull at least 30 miles per gallon, going about 70. And that's with a cammed V6. Not bad. That's all I wanted to post today. More videos to come. I still got to put the alternator and the water pump. I got to put the alternator and I got to put the power steering pump on there. And then we'll start working on getting this car put in the shop, hopefully soon, to get the transmission worked on. And I'm going to be picking up a new project car soon. So if you haven't liked the channel, go ahead and subscribe and press that bell for more videos to come. Until then, I'll see you.